In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a transparent overlay in Canva. The overlay effect is extremely helpful when you are trying to make the text or trying to make an object on top of something to stay visible. In this example, I have this nice background. However, the background is kinda have the same color with the text, and it's making the text to be basically difficult to read, especially from afar. I can still see the text, but it's not very nice, and this is not a great looking design. So I have to put something to between the picture, between the background and this text, so the text can stay visible. Now I'm going to insert an overlay, and the way you can do it is by going to elements, and you want to search for shapes. And you could use any shape, but in this case, I'm going to create an overlay that will cover the entire area, and that's why I'm going to be selecting this simple square. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, the keyboard key R to insert that instantly. So let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to use, let me remove this first. Okay, there you go. So you can press the keyboard key R, and that will bring this square shape, and it's very useful if you want to use this very often. Now let's encapsulate all the element, all the cover basically, and then we want to change the color into something. It could be white, black, orange, red. It's really depend on what you are trying to build. In this case, I think black is usually good enough, and after that you want to set the transparency to maybe around 20, around 30, depending on your design and depending on how much visibility that you want to get. I think around 30 is great. 20 to 40 is usually the sweet spot number. And when you're done, you want to make sure that this overlay is positioned between the background and the text. So you can right click and then click layer and then send to backward. If you want to get a better idea about the positioning of each layer of the elements, then you can go to position, click layers, and then you will see that this overlay is still on top of this element and this text. So we want to drag it down so it will be on top of the background, and this is the result that we got. Pretty cool, right? So that's how you can create a transparent overlay in Canva. If you feel like this video is helping you, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.